What kind of contribution from the new services have you got in this quarter? And since your arrival was in a good style in an automated car, can we see that this is an indication of a complete shift to automation? And going ahead, we will see some meaningful contribution to the top line from these new services. If you could please elaborate on that. Praveen, my question will be with you. Looking at positive attrition numbers, even this time, you've got 16.9%, which is a tad bit lower from the previous quarter, which is again a good point. So going forward, do you see any further room of reduction in attrition numbers as well? Ranga, first of all, on the operating margins front, we've maintained the guidance of 23 to 25. We agree that there have been some pressures relating to visa costs and rupee appreciation. But were there any sort of cross-currency tailwinds this time to support you? And going ahead, what kind of margins can we expect, a revival further from 23 to 25%? Thank you.
Thanks so much. Actually, first of all, thanks for the kind words on the award. It's actually all the work of this extraordinary work of our amazing finance team. Ranga was the best CFO, both from the buy side and sell side analysts, and we won several awards for our finance and investor relations team. So very, very proud of that. On the new services and new software, this is what we are really strongly focused on. So when we look at the new services, they are in 6 different categories. These are all these cloud first, AI first categories. We have this quarter, 8.3% of our revenue has come from new services and 1.6% from new software roughly. So that's altogether about 10%. Now when you look at this, these are services that basically did not exist 2 years ago. And if you look at the revenue growth that we have had in the last 2 years, that's about $2 billion. So that means half of that revenue growth has come from new services that did not exist more than 2 years ago. So this is why we are so committed to these, and these are our high growth services that our clients care about. These are about the future technologies, such as autonomous driving. And when it comes to these new technologies, there is always a curve of emerging technologies just over the horizon. If you look at these days, voice technologies, chat technologies, virtual reality, augmented reality technologies, as well as the strong adoption of AI-based services and AI-based applications, these are the areas that we want to work on: cybersecurity, modernization of legacy landscapes to the cloud, next generation analytics, and integration of the physical world into the digital with IoT and so on. So with regard to the autonomous car, Sebastian Thrun said recently that the going rate for an autonomous car engineer is several $1 million. And I was talking to him about this, and we created a program within Mysore to teach our engineers autonomous driving technology. And as a part of that, our team, Sudeep's engineering team under Ravi's leadership, built this, have indigenously built this, and something that we are really proud of. It is more a mechanism for us to teach our engineers how to build these technologies and so forth. But it is more than anything else a symbol that we can be on the cutting edge of these technologies as good as anyone else.